kadde kabeera Kamunyo Life nzo Mubende Kassanda Warrior nga nkoze ne Rosette Kalungi kulaba naffe abakozesa obubonero. Omunnyo ogwalero tugutandikidde ate Mubende Kassanda bano nno olwamazeeko ennaku za bwana mu bbiri ez'omuggalo ogwa Ebola. Amyuka President w'eggwanga Jessica Lupo yavuddeyo bw'atyo n'akikkaatiriza nti bongeddwamu ennaku 21 okusobola okubanga twongera okubanga twetangira ekirwadde kino ate n'okusobozesa abayi okusuuka.
Why another 21 days? This is the incubation period for Ebola. The districts of Mubende and Kassanda have only gone 13 and 15 days respectively without a case, and there are 23 people in quarantine in Mubende, while in Kassanda there are 102 contacts under follow-up.
Essanyu eri abantu be Mubende ne Kassanda okumalako ennaku 42 ez'omuggalo olw'Ebola linyikiddwa mu mazzi bwe gwongeddwayo ennaku endala 21 okutuuka nga 17 December.
The first 21 days elapsed on Friday 4th November 2021. On November 5th 2022, I directed an additional 21 days to extend the restrictions on movements into and out of Kassanda and Mubende districts, which will end on November 26, 2022.
Omumyuka wa President Retired Major Jessica Lupo yasinzidde buziga mu Kampala n'akinoganya nti ennaku ezongeddwayo kwongera kwetegeka n'abakyali abalwadde okusuuka.
Therefore, to further sustain the gains in control of Ebola that we have made, and to protect the rest of the country from continued exposure, all the directives issued on 15th October 2022, followed by those communicated on November 5th, 2022 by the Honorable Minister of Health, will be extended for another 21 days.
Vice President Alupo yasoose na kusiima abakoze ekisoboka okulwanyisa Ebola e Mubende ne Kassanda naye nga tebannakola kimala.
I thank all Ugandans, but more specifically the people of Mubende and Kassanda who have abided with the measures put in place by government. I appreciate the pain of the inconvenience this has caused, but had we allowed the escalation of the outbreak into Kampala, the consequences would have been bad, including possible exportation to our African brothers in the neighboring countries.
Vice President Alupo yayise mu bakyali abalwadde abawonye wamu n'abafudde ekirwadde ekya Ebola.
To date, 141 people have been confirmed positive for Ebola virus disease. 79 have recovered, while 55 have succumbed to the disease. A total of 6 confirmed cases are still admitted and receiving treatment at both Mubende, 5 and Entebbe 1 Ebola treatment units. Specifically, the current active admissions are from Kassanda, Mubende, and Kampala districts.
Alupo ategeezezza nti kino kikoleddwa si mu mutima gwa kifiiriza wabula kutangira kirwadde kubalukawo nate.
I call upon the public to cooperate with the health care workers and report anybody with signs and symptoms like that of Ebola early enough to improve survival of the patients, but also to protect the rest of the population.
Abali mu bitundu bya Kampala n'emiriraano nabo balabuddwa wabula basiimye abasawo abatadde amaanyi mu kujjanjaba ekirwadde ky'Ebola era omumyuka wa President yasomye ekiwandiiko kino ku lwa mukama we.
I want to thank the people of Mubende and Kassanda districts for understanding the reason for these measures and their commitment and sacrifice. We are relying on you to cooperate and bring this epidemic to an end. I also appeal to the population in Kampala metropolitan area to cooperate and avoid spreading the disease further. Let us work together so that we can have a safe festive season. Finally, I appreciate all the healthcare workers for their tireless efforts, dedication, and commitment to control the epidemic and ensure that the country is safe. Thank you for listening to me. For God and my country. Signed, General Retired Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the President of the Republic of Uganda, 26th November 2022.